Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Alpha Glass on your Samsung Tab A 8-inch. A quick note, make sure to install Alpha Glass first, then your desired OtterBox case. To start, thoroughly clean your tablet's touchscreen with the included alcohol wipe. Then dry with the microfiber cloth and dab the screen with a dust sticker to remove any remaining particles. Now, place your tablet on a flat surface and align the Alpha Glass, matching up the bottom of the screen protector with the bottom of your tablet's screen and any speaker and camera holes. Remove the number 1 tabs from the stickers hanging from the screen protector and fold them down to adhere to the sides of your tablet. Lift the screen protector off the device, hinging at the stickers, and remove the protective film using tab number 2. Lay the screen protector across your screen and use the microfiber cloth to smooth the screen protector onto your screen. Then remove the top layer of film using tab number 3. That's it, your screen is protected with Alpha Glass and you're ready to install an OtterBox case.